Welcome to day 4,000 in self-quarantine of the coronavirus. What to do today? What to do today? Oh yes. DIY asbestos home test kit. So if you don't know what asbestos is, it's this miracle material they came up with in like the 1930s and used it through the 70s, and it was so great, and it was super fire resistant and thermal insulated, and they were using it in all sorts of home products like popcorn ceilings, all sorts of things. But there's a problem. It causes lung cancer. The only solution is to fully remove it, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna test to see if we even have it. So I bought this asbestos home test kit from Amazon, from SLGI, and let's open it up and see what we got in here. They gave us some gloves in this bag here, which is also going to double as where we're going to put our sample. So some okay looking gloves, a shipping label to ship it back ground, and then just this yellow registration form of how to register online so they know that the sample is yours. Kind of surprised they don't have a mask in here. I saw on some of the other kids they had a mask, but luckily we have two masks here since we're doing it with my dad today. Both are P100 masks, which is about the most protection you possibly can have. I think for the sampling, you can just use kind of a regular dust mask since you're not really disturbing it too much. And one way to especially make sure you're not disturbing it is put some water in a sprayer bottle, so that way you wet the material before you are going to kind of cut it out with a utility knife, and then there won't be as much dust potentially flying in your face. Here is the report that I got back. So let's look. It says firewall right there. So then asbestos fibers undetected. So we're good on this firewall material right here. The second thing I checked here was the wire coating on some of these wires that run through the engine, because obviously that's saying that should be heat resistant. So I figured that could be asbestos. But we go fibrous material, asbestos fibers undetected. Finally, over here we checked out some of the stuff that was coming out of the old heater, and fibrous material undetected. And then also they tell you, like, okay, it's 88% cellulose fiber, 2% fiberglass, non-fibrous, cellulose, non-fibrous, cellulose, non-fibrous. So I know for all of those things that they don't have asbestos and kind of like what they are. But the only thing I wish it did say is, like, for the firewall here, I wish it said like the common name. So I wish it said like, oh, it's just cardboard with some fiberglass infused. I think that'd be a little bit more reassuring to the person who's not a professional and doesn't know exactly what cellulose fiber is. But at least it's not asbestos, which is good. And on this car, I think we do have some asbestos, like in the intake little gaskets there, and then in the brake and clutch linings. But I'm not as worried about those, because it's not something I'm going to be touching a ton as much, or at least as like all this wiring. That'd be a problem if it was all asbestos. For everyone who's like, oh, you didn't need to do this because it's negative. Well, now I know, and it actually makes me feel better about it. So it's something I wanted to do. Sure, it costed like $80 to get all 3 of the samples done when we were done with shipping and everything, but I'm glad I did it. I'd recommend if you're wondering about it at all. And it's not just for cars. You also can do this on any kind of like home products. So a lot of drywall, popcorn ceilings, basically anything that you may be worried that's pretty old that could have asbestos in. You can do this test, and I just bought it on Amazon, like I said before. I'll put the link down in the description, so if you guys want to check it out. And then each like additional sample you want to send in is like an extra $20. So I did 2 extra samples. So out the door, like $80, but I think it was worth it, because I feel better now that knowing that some of this stuff I can just mess around with without being so careful, without spraying water all over it. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you learned something about the asbestos test, and if you're worried about anything, just go ahead and do it. I'm glad I did it. I will see you guys next time.